Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: x times x times x minus x times x equals to 48. Solution. And here I have to copy what we have. We have x times x times x minus x times x equals to 48. And you can write this one in simple way as x power 3 minus this one, which is equal to x squared, equals to 48. By rearranging x power 3 minus x squared, then minus 48 will be 0. And here at this stage we have x power 3 minus x squared, then minus this 48 can be replaced by 64, then here minus 16, which is equal to 0. Right, then here we have x power 3 minus x squared minus 64, then plus 16 will be 0. We can group like terms to get x power 3 minus 64 minus x squared plus 16 will be 0. Then here x power 3, and we're going to change this 64 into base 4 to get minus 4 power 3 minus x squared, then minus here half plus 4 squared, which is equal to 0. Then of course here at this stage, what are we going to do here for this one only? We shall say x minus 4 times x squared plus 4x, then plus 4 squared is equal to 16. Then here we shall say minus x squared minus 4 squared, and here this is difference of 2 squares. This is x minus 4 times x squared plus 4x plus 16, right? Then minus here, this is x squared minus 4 and x plus 4, which is equal to 0. Then here, this is x minus 4 times x plus 4. At this stage we have x plus 4, x minus 4, which is common. We shall factorize x minus 4 to get x squared plus 4x plus 16, then minus here x plus 4, which is equal to 0. Then here we have x minus 4, then open bracket of x squared, and here we have 4x, and here we have minus x, right? We shall get plus 3x, and here we have 16, and here also we have minus 4, also we shall get plus 12, which is equal to 0. Here at this stage we have x minus 4, which is equal to 0, or x squared plus 3x plus 12 will be 0. X will be 4 as the value of real number, and of course here you have quadratic equation. How to find a, which is equal to 1, b, which is equal to 3, and c, which is equal to 12. By finding here delta, which is equal to b squared minus 4ac. This will be b is equal to 9 minus 4 times 1 times 12, and of course here we have a 9 minus 48, then d will be negative 39, and of course here we have d, which is less than 2, 0. That's why I shall reject its values. check this one, and you have the x which is equals to 4. Now we are going to check if the answer is correct. I've given x times x times x minus x times x equals to 48, and here we have 4 times 4 times 4 minus 4 times 4 equals to 48, and here this is 64 minus 16 which is equal to 48 question mark, and here this is equal to 48 which is equal to 48, and here left hand side is equal to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.